I truly think that everybody should experience living abroad. All right. So, whatever your birth country is where you were born at, you need to move out and experience living in a different country. Move out the state, move out the city, move out the state, move out the country. You need to experience that. And I think it's super imperative that people do. That way, you are amongst other people that don't look like you, and you can get a completely different perspective outside of what social media is showing you, as well as what the TV is showing you. Because sometimes, and most times, it don't be accurate. It don't be true. And I'm saying that because there's so many different things going on in the world, and there's so many different things being put out that's not true, of different ethnicities, of different cultures. But specifically, I want to touch on Thailand, all right? Because I currently reside in Thailand with my wife and our two dogs. And so many people say Thailand is cheap. I mean, I've even said it before. There's so many different content creators that come over here and spend like a day, maybe even a week. And they'll say, oh, I got $1.50 pack of Proud, and I got $1.50 cab. Oh, it's cheap. This is the place to be. And then they head back home. You know what I'm saying? But I feel like you really have to experience living here. Living here is the true beast, because you get to see a different type of, I don't even know, lifestyle, right? As far as how things are and how things are ran. But I want to tackle the whole Thailand is cheap thing, because while things are not as expensive, it's also not cheap, all right? Everybody know that the US dollar is dwindling and it's decreasing. So when that happens, guess what tends to go up other currencies, i.e. Thai baht. So I want to say like a bag of dog food, right? On which, honestly, the bag of dog food that we currently get for our dogs is about the same price we pay in the States. And to touch on utilities, right? Because as y'all can see, we got a pool over there. And that pool kind of it kind of makes the light bill a little bit more than usual what we expect, all right? Now, when we was in Texas, we was paying about, I don't know, like two something in the light bill. The light bill is $170. Also, too, the air conditioners, all right? We do run the air conditioning a lot. We do have two dogs. One is a husky, so he needs coolness. He needs cool air. All right, so that may be why. But I'm saying that because it's really not that cheap, y'all. It's not that cheap. Like, it's just affordable. A vet visit for the dogs could run us anywhere between $150 to $200, but here it's like $70. All right, which is affordable. What's another one? Man, 12 pounds of chicken. 12 pounds of chicken might be $50 or $100 in the States, but here it's like $20. Like, unbelievable, right? I just want to really get people to understand that it's not cheap. It adds up. It just adds up. And not to mention, like, you have Thai people that live here, reside here, are from here, that work day in, day out, and they can barely afford a lot of the things that us foreigners come over here and buy. And the reason why they can't afford it is because of foreigners like us coming over there and drawing up the prices. So when you say stuff is cheap, to me, I feel like it's a slap in the face to them. And that's not to say all Thai people are living in poverty or can't afford things, because there's a lot of wealthy Thai people. But for the ones that's working day in and day out and hustling, just think about that before you say something is cheap. Because, bruh, it's not cheap. It's just affordable.